Cravings for Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed, and today we're making a Shahi Chicken Korma. Now, this is no ordinary chicken curry. This is rich and decadent and was made and served to kings so many generations ago. Now, this particular recipe is enhanced with a paste made from fried onions, chilies, and cashew nuts. It has spices in it and it's finished off with saffron milk. It's as decadent as it sounds. If you want to learn how to make this recipe, do make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week, and ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I'm going to start with some oil, and I'm going to allow this to heat up so I can prepare my barista or fried onions. I sliced 3 medium onions, and this is about 3 cups, and I'm going to add this to my hot oil. Now, I've made fried onions before to top biryanis, etc. But this one is a bit different as I'm not looking for the onions to be crispy, so I just skip the step where I drain out all the moisture. I'm also going to add 3 Kashmiri chilies. I'm just breaking them in half and I'm going to throw them in. Kashmiri chilies will give the final result a lovely color. I'm just going to add a bit of salt. This is going to help the onions caramelize faster. Now that the onions are quite brown, I'm going to add a half cup of cashew nuts. Roasting the cashew nuts in the oil will enhance its natural flavor. You can also use blanched almonds if you prefer, but I find that cashews is the creamiest when ground. Now this is the color I'm looking for, so I'm just going to remove all of the onions and keep it aside. If you leave some onion behind, it's fine, but try to get all the chili and the cashews. Allow this to cool. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare my saffron milk. I have 1 cup of hot milk here, and I'm just going to add 2 pinches of saffron. Saffron is expensive, but you only need a little bit to enhance the flavor. I'm going to leave this in the milk to steep. The onion mixture is now cool, and I'm going to load it up into my food processor, and I'm going to start to grind this. I have a cup of stirred yogurt here, and I'm just going to add about half to help process the onion paste. I've reheated the oil, and I'm going to add more flavor with some whole spices. 2 bay leaves, 2 1-inch sticks of cinnamon, 3 black cardamoms, 7 green cardamoms, and about 10 peppercorns and 1 star anise. Add 3 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, and again, freshly ground is always best, and just cook this a little bit to get rid of that raw ginger and garlic taste. I have a whole chicken here that has been cut into small kadai pieces. This is roughly 2 pounds or 1 kg. Add this in, and I'm going to cook this for a few minutes, and I'm going to allow it to brown on all sides. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix to salt all the chicken. Now for the powdered spices, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix this well. and I'm also going to add in 2 cups of diced tomatoes. I'm going to pop the lid on now and I'm going to allow this to cook. I want my tomatoes to go nice and mushy. Now that my tomatoes are nice and mushy, I'm going to scrape off all of that delicious onion, chili, and cashew paste into the pot. And I'm going to mix well. Add 1 cup of water to that food processor just to pick up any of that leftover paste that's hiding under the blades. And I'm going to add this in as well. Add the remaining half of the yogurt and mix. Be sure to check for salt again. I'm just going to cook this for 15 to 20 minutes until my chicken is nice and tender. Finally, I'm going to add the saffron milk and I'm going to cook this for a few more minutes. When you see the red oil floating at the top, you know it's ready and delicious. Let's eat. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Shahi Chicken Korma. It's great to serve at a very special occasion or as a treat for your family and friends. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week. Do share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. And ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. And make sure to follow me behind the scenes. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time, take care. Bye.